Alright guys, I'm not gonna say I'm tired, I'm dying. Like, for real. Like, I thought I was gonna be able to work out fine. Oh shit, I couldn't see anything. Hold on, let me put this like this. I couldn't see anything. Like, I'm not joking, I'm not exaggerating. I couldn't do anything. I was very tired. I was like, man, what am I doing in here? So I was like, nah, I'm just gonna do this and this and go home. I shower and just go to sleep, straight to bed, because I want to have a haircut tomorrow. And then on top of the haircut, I want to go to the store, get some stuff that I need, and from there I want to go home. So I want to see at what time I'll be home. I really want to do it quick, but you know, yeah, it is what it is, though. So we'll see how it goes. This is just a one way from the gym to home. Couldn't record it because I was with my girl, driving her here, but we're good. It's gonna be a little bit shorter videos, but then next week I will be going on the morning. So when I start going in the morning, it will be different. So I was actually gonna go that way, but I'm not gonna go that way. Let's use this way. Oh, I'm excited for my bed. Like, I will go and sleep like this, but I don't want to do it. I'm actually thinking it. I think I might even put a towel and just go straight to sleep. I might do that, to be honest. Because gosh, I'm so sleepy. Like, real sleepy. Ugh. Goodness. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go to sleep. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fall asleep like this. I mean, I'm not that sweaty. I mean, is that gross? I think it is. I think it's gross, nasty as hell to do that. You know what? I think I'm gonna do that and just wake up early and go sleep. Wake up early and shower and go doing the things that I gotta do. So sorry for the silent video. I'm actually very, very, very tired. I can't even think. I just want to go home. This guy's going pretty slow, so we're gonna pass him. Probably using the phone or something. Let's take it here. Damn. That there was something on the floor I thought was gonna hit my car. It looked like a metal. If that metal hit my car, I think my car is done. Like, when I say done, like done. I think my car will like break down like right now, like in the middle of the street, if that metal like touches the car. Oh, goodness, that was a close one. are home, almost home. Oh, I need to go to my bed. I want to really actually smell myself to see if it's bad. Oh, poly. It's not bad. It is kind of, but it is what it is. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm actually gonna go rest. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was short videos, both of them, but I really need to sleep. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.